Assalamu guys, welcome to another video. Guys, first of all, I would like to wish you a happy new year and may all your dreams in 2020 come true, especially if you want to buy a car or a house or anything. And guys, just as a New Year's promotion or a freebie, I'm giving away two things: a hybrid Synergy Drive logo for your Aqua or Prius, and a Bluetooth OBD2 device जो आपके Bluetooth device से connect होता है Android phone के साथ or your PC. It doesn't connect to an iPhone. Okay. तो how you can enter this competition is कि आप नीचे comments में just write Happy New Year. Write Happy New Year in the comments below, and I'll select a random winner, two random winners, and I'll mail them these two gifts, free gifts. Okay. Try to compete. Try to comment. Try to comment in the next 24 hours or 48 hours. 48 hours कर लेते हैं. Try to comment in 48 hours, and inshallah I'll pick a winner and I'll send this to you. I'll need your address and telephone number. And lastly, Happy New Year once more, and have a good one, and Allah Hafiz. Take care.